Alright, here is my Diigo account, and I use it for all kinds of things. And I try to remember, like right here is a knitting pattern. I try to make those things private just so they don't show up when I do any kind of sharing feed or anything like that. So sometimes I mess up, but I'm usually not bookmarking things I would be embarrassed by. They just might wonder why there's a lace pattern in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is up here I've got the address for my Diigo account, and so I'm going to highlight that and copy, and then I'm going to go over to my Google site and I'm going to find the page. This is my resource page here, and I'm going to click on the edit button and figure out where I want this to go. And what I'm going to do is go to Insert and then to More Gadgets, and then I'm going to put in an RSS feed. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe if I say RSS instead of FSS, it'll work. So here's an RSS feed. This seems a little bit, on the Diigo site there's some different embed tools to embed some things, but they don't work on a Google site. So this is the way that it works. So I've got the RSS feed, and I'm going to click Select. And then it's going to ask for the RSS feed URL. So I'm going to paste that URL that I had earlier copied, and I'm going to add one thing to it. This is the only tricky part of this. So right after where it says diigo.com/, I'm going to insert RSS and then put another slash. Okay? So now it's the same URL, except I added, right after diigo.com, I added RSS. That's all I did. Okay? And then I can decide what I want to display. So there's some different things you can do. You can do a slideshow. You can do, here I'm going to do that. I don't know what that'll do. And you can decide how many things you want to show, and whether you want a short snippet or a medium or a full post. Short snippet's usually fine. I'll put medium in case. And then you can change some colors and font size and things like that, and the size. And then you can hit Preview Gadget to see what it'll look like. So this is going to be kind of boring with the slideshow, so I'm going to go back and just say recent post like that. Okay. Preview Gadget, it's just a list. Okay. Now, if you're really good at using your Diigo account, you'll have annotations that say why you chose that bookmark, and that makes it even more powerful. But I am not that good, so I'm going to click OK. And now you'll see in my Google site, this has popped up, and in order to see it, I'm going to have to click Save. And so now you'll see that my RSS feed shows up, and it shows my resources that I'm bookmarking on Diigo. Okay, so again, just to remind you, you're in your Diigo account. You copy your URL, then you go to your Google site, to your portfolio, you go to Edit, you go to Insert, you go to More Gadgets, you find the RSS feed, you add it, you paste that URL from your Diigo up here. Then right after diigo.com, you write RSS/, and then you set up your feed the way you want it to look. And then you hit, and you can choose Preview, and then you hit OK. And voila, it will show up for you.